You can expect a lot from the 2020 Subaru Legacy. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Subaru prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a trip computer, heated seats, front fog lights, power moonroof, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and much more. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.